Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my Valentine's Day haul to share with you, and this is everything that I'm giving my kids for Valentine's Day. I'm super excited. Just for me personally, I love to go all out on the holidays. Like growing up thinking of having my own kids and stuff, I could not wait for holidays and just to make things really special and memorable for them, and my mom always did a really great job of doing that for us when we were kids. The holidays were all super special and I have really good memories of that, so I wanted to do the same for my kids. So yes, I do go kind of crazy, but I have 2 kids and you only live once. YOLO, I know, but it's true, and I just want to make the holidays and my children's childhood super memorable and fun for them. So let's get into it. I went to Target and Walmart for everything and I found a ton of good stuff, so I'm really excited to share it with you guys. I think I'll start first by kind of telling like what my plan is. Okay, so on Valentine's Day I plan to have my kitchen all decorated for the kids, and then I'm gonna have some cupcakes set out and a really fun breakfast for them, and it's just gonna be really decked out. We're gonna have a Valentine's party. My mom's gonna come over and we're gonna play games and dip strawberries and just do a lot of fun stuff with the kids. So let's first dig into the food. So in my last Target haul, you saw that I got a box of these, and I actually got another box just because I really feel that these are good like rewards for Mason when he you know, does well on his reward chart or has a really good day, blah blah blah. These are like healthier candy options instead of, you know, like Skittles and stuff like that. But we don't do a lot of candy, but when we do, I want it to be organic and non-GMO. So this is like definitely just a treat. We'll get one on Valentine's Day, nothing crazy. Then I'm super excited about these. If you guys have been following me for a while, I love Simple Mills. I talk about them on Instagram all the time. I'm just obsessed with the brand. But this is their vanilla cupcake and cake almond flour mix. I have tried the pancake mix, the pumpkin muffin bread mix, all the crackers. I'm just obsessed. They're clean ingredients, just a couple of ingredients in this stuff, you guys, and they taste really good. My kids love them. So this is just 6 simple ingredients: almond flour, coconut sugar, arrowroot, coconut flour, baking soda, and sea salt. And the coconut sugar and the coconut flour are both organic, so that's a plus. But I'm going to be making these into cupcakes for the kids, and then I found at Target this organic Miss Jones Baking Co. vanilla frosting made with coconut oil. And again, this has just a couple of ingredients. Organic, everything's organic: powdered sugar, palm fruit oil, coconut oil, tapioca, sea salt, and then vanilla. So yeah, this stuff is awesome. So I will just frost the little cupcakes with that, and the kids are going to love them. Not sure if I'll let Presley have a taste yet. We'll see. But to go with that, I got this silicone cupcake dish. This is really great. It's red, so it's perfect for Valentine's, and yeah, it's just a little cupcake or muffin pan, and I thought that was cool. I love that it's silicone too. Then for another treat, I got these RX Kids bars, and this is in the flavor PB&J, and they just have egg whites, peanuts, dates, and strawberries in them. So yeah, I thought these would be really good, and they have protein in them, so it's kind of like a treat, but also good for you. For Valentine's, I let each of the kids pick some. Mace will take his to his friends at gymnastics, and then both kids can send them or take them over to family. So Mace picked out PJ Masks, and Press picked out Fancy Nancy. It was so cute. She was actually saying Peppa in the aisle, so I grabbed the Peppa Pig box and Fancy Nancy because she's just loves this show, and I held them both up and she was like and went right for Nancy. So Press got these ones, Mace got these. Super fun. I seriously loved Valentine's as a kid, like filling them out and making your box, just so much fun. Okay, so now we're going to talk about, oh, hello ear. We're going to talk about decor. I love to decorate. I have a couple of birthday party videos that'll be going up soon. I'm just trying to like perfect them. But I just love to decorate for my kids. I think it's so fun, and it just really livens things up and brightens the mood and makes parties and like holidays so much fun. So I got this streamer kit from Target, and I can't decide if I'm going to hang this from Mace's bedroom door, so when he wakes up he has to go through it, or if I'm gonna hang it like leading into the kitchen. So I still have to figure that out. Let me know in the comments what you guys would do. But this is super cute. It was $6, really affordable. Got some tableware, so I got these really cute napkins, plates, and matching cups, and these are all from Walmart. Super cute, super affordable, and Mace is just gonna love these. He just loves hearts, and he always tells me, "You're my heart, mommy," and it like melts my soul. And he's like so excited for Happy Hearts Day. That's what he calls Valentine's Day, which is so cute. From Walmart as well, I picked up a couple of games for our Valentine party. This is Beanbag Toss, and it is super cute. It also comes with little bean bags, which I thought was fun because I look all over for bean bags and I cannot find them. Like for Mace's birthday, I made a beanbag toss game, and I had to get little footballs because I couldn't find bean bags, so I thought that was cool that this comes with it. He's gonna love that. And then I also got Valentine's Day bingo. He is just gonna think this is like the coolest thing ever. Comes with all the pieces, and we're just gonna play this, and it's gonna be really fun. A couple of more decor items. I just got this tablecloth to put on the table, and then I'll have all the decor and treats on top of it. And then this banner is going to go on the wall in the kitchen to just brighten up the room and just to have hearts everywhere because I love Valentine's Day. Item, I got these baking cups. We're just gonna pop the cupcakes out and put them in here and just have them set up really, really nicely on the table for the kids to see. Then, just as a little treat to put some of their goodies in, I got each kid a PJ Masks mailbox, and I thought these would be good for them to play with. Also, Mason always wants a mailbox. Like at Christmas time when he wrote letters to Santa, he had a little Santa mailbox, and he just loves them. He thinks it's so cool to like write letters and put them in the mailbox. So I got both kids a PJ Masks one because Presley is also obsessed with PJ Masks. She loves anything brother loves, so I had to get them both one of these. Okay, and now for their like present or gift on Valentine's, I got each kid a book and then a book for them to share. So I got Mason this one from Walmart, and it's called You Are My Heart. I saw the title and I was like, oh my god, that's perfect, because like I said, Mason just out of nowhere, he started telling me that I'm his heart. He'll say, "Mommy, you're my beautiful heart. I love you, you're my heart." And I just thought this was the sweetest book. The book was perfect about a mommy and little boy, and it's just perfect. He's gonna love it. And I just couldn't get over the title. I was like, this just screams Mason and mommy. So I got that at Walmart. And then for Sis, I got I Will Love You Forever. I just thought this was so cute. Mason has one of these books too. I just think they're really nice. He has the 10 Tiny Toes book, and they're really soft, and I just love it. And for the kids to share, I got Peppa's Valentine's Day. Both of my kids love Peppa Pig, and this one was really cute. It comes with stickers, and it just talks all about Valentine's Day, so I know they're both gonna really love that. I did get each of my kids a gift for Valentine's Day. I got Mason a Magna Doodle. I had one of these when I was little, and I was obsessed with it. I thought it was the coolest thing ever, and he loves to write and draw, and I just thought this would be perfect for him. And then for Presley, she is obsessed with stuffed animals right now. She carries them around, snuggles them, hugs them, just loves them. So I got her this beautiful little unicorn. The tag out of the way. How cute. I saw it and I was just like, oh my god, 15 bucks. Sold. So we got Sis this cute little unicorn, and she's just gonna love it. Okay, so that is everything that I got my kids for Valentine's Day. Their decor, their gifts, their treats, everything. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some ideas. If you're still trying to figure out your kids' Valentine's Day, go ahead and leave me any comments down below and let me know what you're doing for your kids for Valentine's Day or for yourself. Are you going to dinner? Are you going out with your girls? What are you doing? I would love to know. I personally will be hanging out with my babies, and I cannot wait. Yeah, so also be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I post twice a week on Tuesday and Thursdays, and I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram. I have all of my socials linked down below. I'm super active on there, and that kind of gives you like a behind the scenes look into our life. Also, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it on your socials. It would mean the world to me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!